For more than 30 years, Bina Nusantara has been well regarded as an education provider committed to contributing services and innovations with the aim of furthering education in Indonesia. Strategically placed in the very heart of Jakarta, BNSD is located in the FX Sudirman Mall area near the Sudirman Central Business District. From South Jakarta, FX Sudirman is reachable through Tanah Kusir, Arteri Pondok Indah, and Paku Buwono. From North, East and West Jakarta, FX is easily accessible from the Jakarta Inner Ring Road through the Semanggi exit. BNSD provides a bachelor's degree program in visual communications and design studies. The academic duration for this program is 4 years and it consists of Introduction to Graphic Design, Software Usage, Design Conception, Design in the Creative Industry, Design Application, Internship Work, Communication Strategy, and many more. Our students will also face direct challenges from the design industry. This is proven by our efforts to bring in various experts and highly experienced lecturers from the creative industry.
There are multiple subjects in graphic design major, but some of my favorites are illustration design, photography, and graphic design. Illustration design basically teaches us how to make a conceptual illustration, so not only a good-looking illustration. Photography teaches us how to take still life photos from objects to portraits using multiple techniques. While graphic design itself teaches us the basic of graphic design theory, how to apply layout to a book, to a poster, publication, branding, typography, and many more.
The students are exposed to a vibrant environment for the best learning experience. BNSD provides a wide array of facilities to effectively support teaching and learning activities, offering a comfortable and modern learning ecosystem suitable for our students. In BNSD, we understand the importance of understanding both the local culture of Indonesia as well as the culture of others. Our library archives the best design references from Indonesia and overseas in order to indulge and enrich our students' visual knowledge. The drawing room is home to a complete set of tools, such as easels, drawing tables, and adjustable desks to thoroughly support student activities in understanding the techniques of manual drawing.
Drawing is the ability to communicate through a non-verbal communication. It is essential for a graphic design student to understand this because most of the communication are non-verbal. You have to be able to deliver a message clearly through pictorial elements, and the material for drawing one is basically fundamental study of drawing. That includes basic theory of drawing, basic anatomy, perspective, and three-dimensional pictorial studies.
We continuously facilitate our students and their endeavors to experiment and learn as much as they want. From field trips for a hands-on and explorative outdoor photography to a fully equipped studio ready at their disposal. The photography studio provides every kit needed for a professional learning environment, such as backdrops, tabletops, DSLR cameras, and various lightings for a complete understanding in photography. Aside from these rooms, BNSD also has other rooms that are specifically constructed and equipped to fully support the 4-year learning experience.
The main reason why I chose BNSD as my university is because one, in here you are not only taught on how you make something, but also why you make something. You will able to learn the conceptual thinking that will be useful for your clients later. And the second one is the lecturers here are very open and welcome when you are having consultation, and they will give you helpful inputs for you.
We make sure that our education system meets international standards. We use British modular curriculum adopted from various top universities in Europe. The focus of the curriculum is the student as the center of the study itself. There are some study options that students can choose. The 3+1 program. In the 3+1 program, students study for 3 years in Indonesia and 1 year in Northumbria. 4+0. In 4+0, students study for 4 years in Indonesia. In this option, the student is eligible to earn a bachelor degree both from Bina Nusantara and Northumbria University. Northumbria is one of the largest universities in the UK, with more than 35,000 students from 136 countries. The partnership program with Northumbria University allows students to directly transfer their grades and continue their educations overseas without hassle. During their 1 year in the university of their choice, BNSD students will get academic and non-academic experiences. Academically, they will study in classes and graduate overseas. Aside from that, they will also learn how to be independent and make new friends from all around the world. In the 4+0 program, BNSD students are given the choice to finish their studies in the BNSD campus. We make sure that the qualities of academic studies in both 3+1 and 4+0 are equal. For students also learn from the lecturers of Northumbria University in this campus. At the end of their study, students will earn degrees from both BINUS and Northumbria University.
So as I say, from Northumbria coming to Indonesia, we bring Northumbria University to like the Indonesian students at BINUS. So by doing that, essentially what we've got is the students have the best of both worlds. Our relationship starts at the first year by coming across also in October, and we set the students from first year through to third year a individual project based on a visit to a gallery or a museum, and through that they learn how we work in Northumbria, how we teach in Northumbria, and they develop like their skills. So when they come to graduate, they're graduating with both an Indonesian degree and also an international degree, a UK-based degree. So that obviously improves their employment chances, their employability. They've got on their CV an international degree and also their own domestic degree. So it increases their chances by us coming to you. It increases like the students' chances of actually getting the employment that they're hoping for. Because the Dual Award essentially is all about global design, developing a global design perspective, and creating a portfolio of work aimed at whereabouts in the world that they would like to work in the future. So for first year through to fourth year, like the Dual Award sort of covers all those bases and gives the students the international degree without having to travel to the UK to get one.
In order to prepare students to jump into the creative industry, graphic design program at BNSD holds an annual immersion trip. We have visited design studios in Singapore, Barcelona, and Amsterdam for the program. An eye-opening and inspiring experience for the students, getting inside the creative kitchen and receiving insights from worldwide designers at design studios overseas is a precious opportunity that students wouldn't get in other design schools in Indonesia.
Last year, the students of BNSD went for an immersion trip to Singapore. In there, we visited 3 main studios, which are Disney Asia, Tiny Island, and also Splash Studios. In Disney Asia and also Tiny Island, we learned the progress of animating from the sketching into how to 3D modeling. And in Splash Studios, we learned how to have our own products from picking colors and also picking the paper materials.
In BINUS Northumbria School of Design, we believe that by combining academical discipline and excellency, social skills, and a profound understanding of local and international cultures, students are prepared to be problem solvers who will help to build a creative and independent future of the nation. For more information, kindly visit our website at bnsd.binus.ac.id or visit our marketing gallery at the 6th floor of FX Mall, Sudirman.